Hello friends, today we will do the article Cruelty against animals. Animals should not require our permission to live on earth. Animals were given the right to be here long before we arrived. Animal cruelty refers to brutal and savage actions of humans. Every living organism is creation of God, and we humans have no right to beat or be cruel to them. Animals are also a living creature who are equally important in the ecosystem like us. These days, animals' cruelty has increased and become a nationwide problem. Animals are being beaten and starved every day, and millions of helpless animals die each day. People throw stones on animals just for fun. Monkey, rats, rabbits, etc. are used for researches and experiments. Frogs were earlier used to teach students the process of dissection. Cows and goats are often used for religious sacrifices. As we humans have heart, do these animals don't have heart? Are they born without feelings? No, they are not. We should understand it and think about it. We should care them, give respect, not make fun and protect them. We should respect their dignity because each person has the right to make change in the world. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.